For someone like me who shoots every single day, I do use a ton of heat products in my hair, and as you can see, it's tangled, dull and damaged with split ends, which is not a sight for sore eyes. And that's when I decided to try out the Shirolepam Hair and Scalp Treatment Mask by Just Herbs, which is a pure Ayurvedic brand. It has amla, shankpushpi and bhringraj that helps to control frizz, strengthens the hair, helps reduce hair fall, promotes hair growth, as well as detangles and smoothens. I personally love this hair mask because it's a wholesome all-in-one nutritive hair care product which not only performs a great conditioning job but deeply nourishes and hydrates the scalp from the deepest layer without stripping off the natural oils. Suitable for all hair types, it's definitely suggested to use this Ayurvedic hair mask twice a week before hair wash, and I love using it by segregating the parts of my hair and then applying the product evenly. It's definitely recommended to use a lukewarm towel and wrap up the product for 20 minutes to further intensify the job of the hair mask. It really does such a fantastic job of ensuring the product really penetrates deep into the hair. It's definitely recommended to use a sulfate-free shampoo. The one that I can recommend is the Just Herbs Lush Methi Shikakai shampoo, and an after conditioner if required. Now you can instantly see how easily my hair has detangled. I'm absolutely satisfied with this product. I use it twice a week and I highly recommend it to all of you.